There you go. Hey guys, Benji D here from 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝. So in today's video, we're actually starting a new series called Becoming a Master Technician. I was already doing a lot of these things before working for ADT. I was troubleshooting devices. I was figuring out issues like, why isn't this working? Why is this causing this to happen? I do PC repair, computer repair, laptop repair. As a beginner technician, you are going to be going through a lot of bullshit. For example, your customer never actually has enough time for you to sit there and figure things out. So you're going to have to rush and figure it out quickly. 2, you're going to come across days where you literally feel like a fucking dumbass because you spent 2.5 hours trying to figure out one little problem. That ruins your whole day. There's tools in this world that literally exist right now that will resolve 80% of your issues, but you're not aware of it. If you want to see more videos like this from me in the future, just comment down below and let me know if you're interested in this series. Anyways, in today's video, we're going to be talking about a tool that will help you trace wires in a matter of seconds. You're in a huge house. You're looking at a wire coming from the wall. You have no idea where it's coming from, where it's leading to, where it's going, which wire it is inside of the control panel. Now you have 30 wires connected to 30 different devices around the house. How do you know what wire is hooked up to what? You're going to take 2 alligator clips. You're going to hook it up to both ends of the wire where the device used to be connected, right? Because you're trying to figure out what wire is leading to what panel so you could use it as either a power source or hook it back onto the panel itself. Anyway, so you're going to take the 2 alligator clips and hook it up to the 2 wires. This device is called a toner. The toner has 3 options: tone, test, and continuity. Tone is to trace a specific wire in a bundle of a bunch of wires. Test is basically testing network cables, for example Cat5s, just to make sure everything's connected properly. Continuity basically tests for any breakage of the wire.
So once you pull it away, if I use my little gizmo with non-contact, it should stop making
It should stop unless it's running right next to each other along the wall. Then it might still pick it up.
Now you want to walk over to the panel itself with the fucking 30-40 wires coming out of it, and then you want to trace those wires. You can literally tap the wand onto the wire and then run it through and hear that audible beep going on, right? Beep, 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 beep. When you connect it directly to the tip of the wire, it'll become more clear and louder and let you know, yeah, this is the wire. If you hook it up to a completely different wire that doesn't have the alligator clips hooked up to it, you're not going to hear anything whatsoever. The further away you get from the wire that's hooked up to the device with the alligator clips, the less you hear the audible tone. Matter of fact, if you're touching the wrong wires with a wand, you're not going to hear anything whatsoever. As I stated before, this is an extremely useful tool. So if you want to make your life easier as a technician, buy a toner. I think it's a VDV 500 if I'm not mistaken. Anyways, it's going to be linked down in the video description below, made by Calvin Tools or Klein Tools. And there you have it, guys. If you have any questions about any type of troubleshooting techniques or becoming a master technician or any tips and tricks that you want to learn from me, whether it's troubleshooting laptops, computers, cars, phones, all that shit, I got you down pat.